Hello and welcome everyone, this is Sphinx Fire. I'm going to be doing a small unboxing of 6 blister packs from the Brothers of Legends. And I'm just going to get right into it, so here we go. I'm going to hear some good ASMR from these packs being opened. And each pack only has 5 cards, but they are all guaranteed to be foils apparently, so that should be kind of exciting. Yeah, 5 card foils in every pack. So let's do it. And I know other YouTubers have like a thing where they move the cards to the back or whatever, but I'm just going to go ahead and open them. So first card is Infernoid Decatron. Then we got Penguin Sword. Numbers Protection. Z's Ouroboros Sage. And Altergeist Pukuri. I actually think this might be a real card, so I'm going to put it over here. Alright, we're on to pack number 2. Oh yeah, I actually really do enjoy that sound of a blister pack being opened. I do have boxes of this, so that'll be in a later video, but for now we're opening just the blister packs that I have of Brothers of Legend. Okay, pack number 2. Oh wow, an old school staple. We got the magic card of Lure of Darkness. Right Hand Shark. Oh, this is an old but good one. A Shooting Star Dragon. One of the evolutions for Stardust Dragons. And we got Void Feast. Stealth Kragan Spawn. This looks pretty actually. That actually looks pretty cool right there. What is that? Alright, we're on to our third pack. Come on, Dark Magician Girl and Yugi, give me some good luck. I would love to get some Karibo brothers. I mean, they're on the pack. I wouldn't mind getting them. Let's see. Just gotta be careful with my big old meaty fingers. Last thing I want to do is bend a card and it being great, right? Right. All right, we got Red Eyes Fusion. I've noticed this card actually in, what is it, Master Duel, and it is usually used with Red Eyes Black Dragoon, which is one of the best boss monsters I've seen so far. Put that over there. We got Idia, the Heavenly Squire. Silent Sea Nettle. Interrupted Kaiju Slumber. And Z's Utopic Sage. Alrighty, you guys, we're about almost done. 2 packs left. Alright, come on, Karibo Butters. Oh, really, really want these Karibo brothers. Let's see. Got Noble Knight Spearholder. Kaiju Capture Mission. Eyes Show. Ice Mirror. Oh wow, this card I know for a fact is fucking lit. This is Forbidden Droplet, an ultra rare I've seen in Master Duel, and this card it just blows out of the water some of those effect monsters that you want to get around. So this, very happy for this actually, very, very happy for that. Put that right over here. And here we are. We're already on to our last one. Let's see what we can get. Oh, that sounds so nice. Those little rips that you can make. Anyhow, here we go. We got Penguin Sword. Numbers Protection. Z's Ouroboros Sage. Oh, another Red Eyes Fusion. Okay. And then we got Cypher Biplane. Alrighty, you guys, that's all we had for today, but I hope that I will see all of you next time, and thank you for coming. Sphinx Fire out.